Good morning, everyone. I'm here in Bangkok, Thailand. This is Rambutri Road. I'm not sure if I'm saying it right, but I'll put the spelling in my video where you can see it. But this is Monday morning, and I want to show you the street, how empty it is. Today is one of the days that people take off on a Monday, so it's very dead. And even some stores are not going to open till about maybe 3, 4 o'clock in the afternoon. As you can see, there is no street vendors out. It's pretty much dead during the day. But at night, this place is very, very, very crowded. Lots of stuff to do, lots of food and massages. So all these chairs you see fall up here on the left have a massage. Then all these restaurants alongside have live music at night, and also, you know, you buy your drinks and eat. And then also on the side of the road, you have your street foods. So I'm going to show you tonight, but it's a Monday, so it might be a little bit slower than over the weekend. But I'll still try to get some footage tonight to show you the difference between Monday morning and Monday afternoon. This same street is going to come to life tonight. So for now, I cannot find anything to eat. So we're going to get a grab and go out to the markets, one of the markets, shop a little bit and see if we can get some food over there. So I'm just giving you a little heads up on Mondays. Be aware, nothing much out here going on at Rambutri Road here in Bangkok. McDonald's, guys. If you want McDonald's, there's a McDonald's, also a Taco Bell along the strip if you want your regular Americanized food. But it's currently closed right now. People look like they're checking out. 7-Eleven. Now let's talk 7-Eleven. It's almost on every street here in Bangkok. It's open 24 hours. You can pick up almost anything you want in here for your personal items, along as also with drinks and medication as well, toiletries. So I'm going to grab a pack of wipes to take with me to the market. So when you eat in the market, you can wipe your hands. So I'm going to buy just a small little one like this to take to the market. And I already have my little fan because it's super hot. But this is a 7-Eleven. You can grab a bunch of little stuff, as you can see, snacks, alcohol, drinks, and stuff like that. But let's go ahead and grab the grab and go out to the market. It's really busy. It's Monday. It's hustling and bustling. We're trying to get something to eat because, like I said, Rambuttri didn't have anything to eat. But it looks like there's a really good shopping area here. So I'm going to grab a drink. So I'm going to get this coffee and Milo iced tea or coffee tea, what do you want to call it? Walk around and grab something to eat because even though the sun's not out, it is super hot. So please hydrate yourself. Drink lots of water, coconut juices, and all of that good stuff. So this is the coffee and Milo cold brew tea. Really good. Look what I got here. Some nice seafood soup. This is a spicy seafood soup. You see all of the squid and octopus you have in here. Noodles, a bunch of nice stuff on coconut milk. So this is inside Patnam Market. I'm not sure if I'm saying it right again, guys. Cannot pronounce the Taiwanese. I'm going to go ahead and put it in my video for you guys so you can search it. But it's really big. Lots of sales. Some stuff is 50 baht, 100 baht. So if you buy more than one item, usually 3 items, you get a discount. So just pay attention and you can get a discount on something you like by buying 3 or more items. I'm in this drink shop right now off of the market. It's so hot outside. I'm going to cool myself down with a lemon black tea. And here is my tea. Let's give it a try. Okay, this is really refreshing. Delicious. Lemon black tea. Yum. So we stopped here, getting some snacks, some mango. We call it some cereals, cherries with some spicy stuff. So we're here at the Grand Palace. This is one of the temples here, the big temple here in Bangkok. We took one of the grab, which is a taxi. Cost us 90 bahts, which is basically $3 of US money. And look how beautiful the temple is. It's a big, nice temple I probably missed it. I think it closes at 3:30 and it's now 3:30. So I think it's closed, but you do have to get tickets to go inside. But it's beautiful. There are multiple temples you can visit. Look at all this nice sightseeing you can see. Just walk around the area here around the Grand Palace Temple. We're in the tuk-tuk. We're going to take it to go to the ferry. Just driving around Bangkok over here where we can see more Buddha and the floating boat through the canal. The tuk-tuk costs us 100 baht to take us. The sun is not out, so it's actually really beautiful. Take advantage of it. It's beautiful to ride the tuk-tuk. So look at this beautiful temple here from a distance. So you cannot wear like armholes and ladies with their short pants. You have to kind of dress appropriate so you can respect the temple. But it's so unique and beautiful. The architecture of it is so beautiful. So right now we're going to try to get either a taxi, a grab, or a tuk-tuk to head back now to our hotel. We're going to get a ferry here in the pier that takes you out alongside the river. It's just 40 baht one way. You can drop off and stop off at any time, but once you exit the boat, you will have to re-entry again. A boat, our ferry, to ride alongside the river, get some pictures, see if we see the Buddha and some temples. Again, it's just 40 baht each way. They do make several stops. If you come off the boat, you'll have to pay to re-enter. And here's the boat that we're going on. We're heading upstairs in the ferry so you'll get a better view of our ride in this ferry. Then off we go. We're gonna do, I think it's the 4th stop from where we started off. There's a lot of map, so I'll tell you the stop that we're stopping. Oh my gosh, it feels beautiful up here with this wind blowing and no sun. Nice buildings alongside hotels and restaurants too.
Welcome to Chao Phraya Tourist Boat. Hop on, hop off. Blue Flag Line. ท่าเรือต่อไปพรานนก N10 ผู้โดยสารที่ต้องการไปตลาดวังหลังสิริราชได้ที่ท่าเรือนี้ Next pier พรานนก N10 Alight here for วังหลัง Market สิริราช
The houses alongside the river. It's kind of halfway fallen down.
Next pier ท่าช้าง N9 Alight here for the Grand Palace and the Temple of Emerald Buddha ต้าหวางกง For passengers alighting here, please stand by at the exit.
Right across the river, guys, there's a temple, one of the temples, and a Buddha. I don't know if you can see it. But the Grand Palace over here on the left side, you can see the Grand Palace from the river. Okay, now it's nighttime, leaving the hotel to show you the difference from night and day. Down the step is the road. You have the left side of the road. See how different it is? And then we have the side that I walked on to show you. I'll show you how busy it is. This is just the street outside the hotel. No cars can go by. I'll just walk a little further to show you the roundabout area, how busy it is. Food, food, and only food. Cooked fresh. Both sides of the street. Fresh fruit drinks. And it goes all down to the end of the street. And even across the street. This is a roundabout.